Alright, so we're back again. Time for an unboxing. Ha, look at the boxers, they're grubbing. What are you guys doing? Nom, 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 nom. That's delicious, huh? Okay, so this is what I think it is. It's gonna be something I meant to show you guys. So if you're having any problems and you're struggling with, like, say, diabetes or any of you have any stomach problems or anything like that, it could be due to the diet that you're on. So here's an idea. Yeah, this is what I've been looking for right here. Check this out. So one of the things that's really bad for you that I've talked about in some of the videos has been processed sugars and flours, which are really, really bad for you. So I'm going to show you guys some alternatives for both, well, probably just for sugars. Okay, so check this out. This is something that is monk fruit. It's 300 times sweeter than sugar. Fucking looks like it's been opened. What the hell? I'm gonna have to check that out. Hopefully that ain't the case. Fucking Amazon digging into my shit. But so there it is. Let me see if I can't zoom in on it. But it's this has been used in China for a long, long time to sweeten stuff. And like I said, you don't need very much because it's 300 times sweeter than sugar. But it's a natural fruit. So it's sugar free, promotes optimal health. I'm just reading off the back. Sweeter than sugar, no stomach discomfort, no bitter aftertaste, and replaces sugar in any recipe. And it's a superfood. So this is a great substitute. It's a little pricey, but you know what? I'm going to actually mix it with something else that I have to make a bigger sugar. I mean, a larger packet of sugar. So that's what I got for one of the things. And then check this out right here too. So, and then maca. If you guys, this is a really good beneficial thing for a lot of different things. So this is 100% maca. And then I'll still read the back of this one too. Improves memory and focus. Alleviates anxiety, stress, and depression. Increases energy and stamina. Boosts mood. Enhance sexual function. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Balances hormones. Clears up your skin, acne, and blemishes. And it can strengthen your immune system. So this is something that I like to mix in different things. It's really good. And this is all non-GMO stuff, and it's all vegan friendly if you happen to go down that path. Gluten-free, organic, that's the kind of stuff you want. So that's the next thing I got. And then look at this. This is the best brown sugar alternative that I've found. It's called Sucrin Gold. And this stuff looks and tastes almost identical to brown sugar. So, and it's mostly erythritol, if I'm saying that right. So, but somehow they manage it, and it's a product in Norway, but somehow they managed to make it taste just like brown sugar. So, I like using brown sugar when I make drinks and other things. So this is perfect, 1.1 pounds. Let me give you guys the rundown on the price. This stuff I think was like 29 bucks for this, but it goes a long way, like I said. So this will be mixed in with something else I have. This, the maca, I want to say it was 12 bucks. 13 bucks. It's not too expensive, and this is really good stuff. It's a root that you should be taking for your health. The Sucrin Gold I think is right around $17. It's a little pricey for a pound, but you know what? I don't use very much of it, so it works out. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, psyllium husk. This is good. You want to be adding this to your energy drink. Everybody should know what this does and what it's for. So this is the same thing, non-GMO. And I mix this in with my, when I make certain types of breads, I always throw this in because it adds some depth to it. So that's a good thing. And I think that was right around $10, $11. That's not very expensive at all. Check this out. I haven't tried this yet, but this is Anthony's. This company, Anthony, is badass too. They have the best prices on stuff. And everything that I've tried from them has been phenomenal too. So that's something to check out. Got some instant coffee. And then there's two types of coffee. There's this kind, and then there's the other kind. And you don't want the other shit because it's really bitter. This is really good. So I'll be taking that. I'm going to go camping here pretty soon, so I'm going to be taking that with me. And let's see what else we got. This is one of my favorite things. So this is, let's see if I can get it. A matcha latte, which is like a super refined green tea. And there's a ton of benefits to this. And you can see it already has the monk fruit sweetener added. Vegan, of course, gluten-free. I hate the vegan shit, but you know what? That's what it is. and it's dairy free. So this is a super energy coffee, and it's really good. Like if you mix it, I have some more what do you call it, matcha that I've picked up that's really bitter and strong. And this is a probiotic too, so that's good. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this in with the other, because this is super sweet. But it's really good. Like I said, you mix this in with some real chocolate and some coffee, badass. You're kicking ass, and you got a super energy drink. So this is made with Japanese matcha. That's what you want. And this is, like I said, this is phenomenal. I think this was like 15 bucks, maybe 17. And a little bit goes a long way. So if you use like half a teaspoon, you know what I mean? That's 10 ounces I got here, and you use half a teaspoon, that's enough usually. Then, check this out. This is erythritol sweetener, which is my sugar substitute. It's a sugar alcohol, so it doesn't impact your system the same way that regular refined sugars do. So this is badass. I get the golden kind, and like again, once again, it's Anthony's, which is super badass. So I'm gonna mix my monk fruit in with this, and it gives a really good flavor. And no, like if you're using stevia, or say any of the chemical shit, which you definitely don't want to use the chemical sweeteners, as aspartame and that bullshit is really bad for you. But if you're using stevia, like I don't like the taste of stevia. I have some somewhere, but it leaves a chemical taste in my mouth. This stuff doesn't. None of these sugars do. So, and then I got some of this. This is great. This is great for like a cleaner, or for a facial cleaner and stuff like that. So you get up in the morning, use some of this. This is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret. Yeah, ancient Aztec secret, baby. So it's calcium bentonite clay, which the Native Americans use this, and it's really good for a lot of different things. So look it up and see what you think. This is really inexpensive too. I've been meaning to get some of this. I ran out a while back. So Cleopatra used this in her daily beauty routine. All right. So it's good for facials, acne, body wrap, clay baths, foot soaks. You can chill it to put in like ice packs. It's good for insect bites. This is something that you should be carrying on your homestead, man. This is good stuff, and it's good for so many different things. So that's the unboxing. Check it out. Tell me what you guys think. I've been getting this stuff and then loading it up in mason jars. And like I've told you, I've totally changed my diet, and I'm gonna be writing a book on that as soon as I can get the time to finish it out. I've already started working on it, but it's one of those things that you always get behind. So tell me what you think. Like and subscribe, and bye.